G'day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. Welcome back to the summary of my trading. This time, in fact, tonight we're in New Zealand, and it's Thursday, Thursday the 12th of February. Actually, fairly late New Zealand time, but I wanted to get this summarised for you so I could get it out onto the web for those that are watching the trading on a daily basis. Now, we did have a fairly strong sell bias in place, and in fact the first trade that I've got marked there, which is actually a first against the trend buy signal, about 20 minutes after I took the signal, I actually realized it was a first against the trend. Now, for those that are building up an archive of my trading, you'll note that I don't take first against the trends, and this has proven two things. Firstly, I'm human. We all make mistakes. But secondly, we definitely don't take first against the trends. It's been proven again tonight. I actually, that trade cost me 2 points, or 10% stop out, which was a bit rude. Now you'll note a couple of minutes later though we weren't out of the market long before I did get a continuation of the sell signal, which was nice because it ran to profit quite happily. Then we actually got a second continuation that also ran to 2 points. Now this third continuation that I would have taken quite happily was staring in the face of a very strong support level. And you'll note that I've found in the past that if you do take a continuation into a well-known level of support, such as the gap, for example, or the previous close, it tends to not go to profit. Now, because I didn't have enough room to actually take this trade to profit, I didn't take it, hence the thin arrow. Now, mind you, that did keep me out of the market for quite some time. I got nothing to take advantage of this up run before I did actually get a standard sell signal to take the index back towards the support. Now I was hoping with the second crack down here that we'd get through it. As it turns out, we didn't. And as this DS here, as this M1 started to step against us, I thought, you know what, this trade is not going to crack through this at all. So in fact, I got out of that trade at only 0.75 of a point. So wasn't very impressed. Wasn't very impressed with that, but still, it's 3/4 of a point. I then jumped in this buy signal, and you'll note with interest that it only actually ran a point in my favour before then getting turned around by a sell signal. Now once this sell signal confirmed, as you know, once a sell confirms I get out of my buys, so I got out of that buy signal at just on half a point's worth of profit. So we were actually scraping the bottom of the barrel for a bit tonight. First sell signal didn't run to profit before it was reinforced by a second. Now you'll note that this was a standard sell signal, so we're only after 2 points like most nights, and then we did get a big picture. Now even though it was in favor of the bias, you'll note that again, because our trading range was very tight, I was using the pessimistic profit target of 3 points. As it turns out, it did pay quite happily around about 10-12 minutes before the end of the session. So all in all, you know that I say anything under 9 points is a pretty lame night. What did we get tonight? Just on 8.25. So, yep, a lame night. What does it mean? 8.25 points at 5% per point is a 41.25% return for the session. Now, what does that mean? Let me think. 10 contract traders, and there are many of you that are out there. I know you're out there because I Skype many of you. 10 contract traders, well done. You returned just over 4,000 US in your trading session tonight. Now, ladies and gents, I'm on a little less than 10 contracts. I'm working towards 10 contracts, but I'm looking very forward to getting there, let me tell you. So well done for the 10 contractors. Yeah, just over 4,000 US for a pretty lame night. All right, ladies and gents, I'll update you on Friday the 13th. For those who aren't superstitious, Friday the 13th, I'll update you tomorrow night. I will still be in Christchurch, New Zealand. So hi to all the New Zealanders out there. Have a great night, guys, and I'll be back later. Cheers, bye.